Jade plant is a very popular house plant and it is really easy to grow. It has this tree-like structure even when it is young, and the stems or the trunk is really thick. If you can see here, even in this small planter, the plant is about 2 feet tall and it has about 3 inches wide uh, trunk, and the leaves are really thick, and when it is healthy they are shiny and they have this red lining around the leaf. So just like any other succulent, they store a lot of water in their leaves, so they are drought tolerant. They require a lot of sunlight, preferably direct sunlight, but then you have to see if the sun is too harsh, then it can scorch the leaves. So you need to water it sparingly only when the soil is dry, and give it a lot of sunlight, and it will start to grow. And it gets these small star-like flowers, like here we are about to get some flowers. um, but people don't grow this for flowers, they grow it for the foliage because it looks so beautiful and it is easy to grow. So to propagate, you cut a stem of the plant and let it be there in a shaded area so that the callus forms, on the cut part, so that when you put it in the soil, it doesn't rot. So I already did this last week, and because the leaves are so thick and the stem is also thick, it doesn't shrivel or dry up in 1 week. And then just take some potting soil mix, preferably succulent potting soil mix, and just stick it in. And within a few weeks, you will see that it starts to form roots and it starts to grow. Also, when you are working with these plants, these leaves, if you push them in the wrong direction, they break. So if you have some jade plant leaves, you can grow plants from that also. You basically throw them into a small container which has succulent potting soil mix, and just put the leaves up there and keep on misting it every once in a while, maybe every other day or so that the leaves don't shrivel, don't dry up, and you will see that they start to form roots and the leaves start to come out. Because these stems are really thick and the leaves are really thick, this becomes really heavy on the top. So you have to use a planter which is heavy, so preferably a clay or a ceramic planter. Otherwise, the plastic containers, they'll just topple very easily. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.